Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the best tools to make your life easier. In today's video, we're talking about the best garden sharpening tool out there, the Corona AC8300 Garden Tool Blade Sharpener. If you're tired of struggling with dull blades, this sharpener could be your new best friend. The Corona AC8300 is a small, yet powerful tool designed to keep all your garden tools in top shape. Whether you're using shears, hoes, or pruners, this sharpener gets the job done efficiently and safely. With a compact size, it fits easily into your pocket or tool bag, so you can take it with you wherever you go. It's made to last, featuring a durable 5-inch carbide file that ensures your blades get back to their sharpest without a hassle. What makes this tool stand out is its non-slip rubber grip. You can easily maintain control while sharpening, even when your hands are wet or greasy. It's designed to help prevent slipping, making it safer for you to use. This means no more worrying about accidents or uneven sharpening. The sharpener's lightweight design doesn't sacrifice strength, and it works wonders on all straight blades, except saw blades. Another thing we love about this sharpener is its simplicity. You don't need to be a sharpening expert to use it. In fact, the user-friendly design makes it perfect for both beginners and seasoned gardeners. Just a few strokes, and you'll notice a huge difference in the sharpness of your tools. The Corona AC8300 is also an Amazon's Choice product for a reason. With over 8,000 positive reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's clear that this tool has made a significant impact on gardening enthusiasts everywhere. It's not just a tool, it's an investment in your gardening experience. Whether you're maintaining your pruners, shears, or other garden tools, the Corona AC8300 Blade Sharpener ensures that every cut is clean and effortless. Forget about dull tools slowing you down. This sharpener will keep your gear working like new. So, if you're looking for a tool that's reliable, easy to use, and delivers fantastic results every time, the Corona AC8300 Garden Tool Blade Sharpener is a must-have. Be sure to check it out and add it to your garden tool collection today. Thanks for watching this review from Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new review. Happy gardening, and we'll see you next time.